Hello friends, this is Durga from IT University. At this time, we are talking about learning SQL using Oracle. As you have seen, we have actually set up the tables um, after setting up account in Apex, and those tables include employees, jobs, locations, regions, etc. So let us start with the diagram, data model diagram, and you can actually Google it by saying. Oracle HR schema data model, and you will be able to get the schema diagram. And here we are talking about HR, and it has 7 tables. So if you go to the script which we have executed earlier, you will see create table commands on this, and then bunch of insert statements to load data into this. And here you can understand the relationship between each of these tables. For example, employees is the child table to departments. There is one-to-many relationship between departments and employees. Similarly, there is one-to-many relationship between locations and departments. There is one-to-many relationship between countries to locations, regions to countries, etc. And also you have jobs and job history. Yeah, there is one-to-many relationship between jobs and employees, because for a given title there can be n number of employees, and also for each job there can be history associated with it. Uh, so this job history is kind of a mapping between jobs and employees as well as departments. You can see that job history have three foreign keys. One is employee ID, other one is job ID, and third one is department ID. And employee ID, parent key is in employees, job ID is parent key in jobs, department ID is parent key in departments. So using this data model, which is in either third normal form or BCNF, we will try to develop SQL queries starting from basic to a bit complicated SQL queries. Okay. So that being said, let's do it in the subsequent videos. Make sure you understand the data model. Um, we will be primarily focusing on employees and departments for most of the examples. We'll be joining these two tables and getting the uh, getting the results as per the problem statement. So the process will be like this. First, we'll define the problem statement. We'll try to identify the columns and the transformations that needs to be applied. If we have to filter any data, we have to filter. If we have to aggregate, we have to perform aggregate. And in many cases, we have to join multiple tables to get the results. That being said, we will start with very basic SQL as part of the next video, and then we'll take it further. Thank you. Bye.